Hi guys, this is Vishal here from Trapcode. So in this video, we will understand how to assign default values to a collection item to a specific field when no values are coming from the UI or the API. So a lot of time it happens that there is a field and you want to assign some default value to it and then people can change it, right? So let's see how we can give that default value, which is a fixed value, right? So I have a collection called task. So this is a project and project has many tasks and task has some fields like name, assigned to, due date, task status, right? Let's say we want to add a field called maybe a label or maybe a priority to this task. And then we want to give some default value and then people can change that value later if they want, right? So let's see how that can be done. So I'll go to the configuration and let's add a field. I'll say add a field, a text field called, let's say priority. What is the priority of this task, right? Priority can be high, medium, low, critical, or whatever, right? So, and let's say I want a default field value to be medium. So whenever a new task get assigned, the value of priority field will be medium, right? And I'll say save. So what I've done, I've created a name, and here you see this is a default value, right? So basically, if no value is coming, then what should be the default value of this field? And let's say save. So it is here, priority field is here. Now we have a task list and we have a add task form. I'm logged in as a project manager, so it has task name, assigned to, due date, and project, right? It does not have the priority field, right? And we don't need it. Similarly, like status, right? So task has a status, which is a not started, completed, in progress, like this, right? So you can basically give some default value. Let's go to the list page. So this is the page. So here now let's display the field which we just created, which is the task priority. Okay. Let's say publish. So now there will be one more column, priority. So it's here, right? As of now, no task has priority, so it's not showing up. Now let's go and add a task. Now I'm not giving priority to the task. I'm just giving the default values which were already there, the default fields which were already there. So, and I'll just submit. So the value got submitted. And let's go and check in the collection. So the task got created, T1 Vishal, and you see the priority field is medium. And if I go to the list page, it should also have the priority, right? So it is the second page. This is the task which we just created, priority medium, right? I have not given this priority when I created the task, right? So this is the default value. When you're not giving a value and you want it to pick some value, which you can configure while creating a collection, and then that value will get set whenever a new records get created. So this way you can assign a value when no values are coming, right? Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.